Good morning guys, and in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and let me show you how to fix app crashing. So, if you have some issues with particular app, let's start with opening the settings, then go to apps, select app management, and pick the app that you've got this problem with, and now force stop. So this one is actually off. Let me open, for example, calendar. Yeah, so just mark force stop, confirm that you want to do it, and that's it. Then reopen it and it should work properly. But if you still experience some issues, just open your Play Store and check if it's up to date. So just go to manage apps and device, once it's active, under updates available, click on see details and check. Okay, so just give it a couple of seconds. Maybe let's reopen it. And now check if this app is located here. So if there is any update available, just mark update, wait till it's done and reopen your app again, and it should work in a normal way in this updated version. However, if it's still not working, just uninstall this app. Let me do it with, for example, with Spotify. Just mark uninstall, confirm that you want to do it, and then install it one more time. So to do it, just open your Play Store, in search area, locate this app, and mark install. Once it's done, just go back to your home screen, locate the icon, and if it's not here, just look for it in your app list. Okay, so it's still not installed, I guess. Okay, it's already is, so just open and hopefully it's working in a normal way. It definitely should. Now if it's still not working, the very basic but truly useful trick is to perform a soft reset. So just tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold to force restart of your device, and then use it again. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up.